Okay, so now we are going to see the difference between the DDL, data definition language, and DML, data manipulation language. For this purpose, I have created this table. So as you can see, the first thing we are going to discuss is about the purpose. The purpose of the DDL is to define the structure of the database. So you need to understand what is the meaning of the term structure. Structure is basically the layout or the organization of the database. So how do we define that? Well, then you can give different data types of the field that you have defined inside the table, and then defining different constraints. The constraints are that which a one will be your primary key, which one will be your foreign keys, and any referential integrity that you are enforcing. Also, the structure of the database is defined by using the relationship that you can specify by using the primary key and foreign key constraints. Okay, now DML basically is used to manipulate the data stored within the database, right? So what do you understand by the term manipulation? Manipulation means that the action or the operation performed on the data stored within the database. These actions could be defining any query, inserting, updating, and deleting a record in the database. Now, when you perform any query, why do we perform a query? Basically, you are giving a command to retrieve a specific information from the database using select statement. So basically, query allows the user to retrieve data that meets a certain criteria or condition. So you can also insert the new records, a row of data into the database table using the insert statement. Then also if you want to amend something or update or modify existing records or rows of data table using the using the update statement, right? Similarly, you can also delete any unwanted record or rows from the database table using the delete statement. So now these are the different commands that are used in DDL and DML. In DDL, we can use create, alter, drop, truncate, and comment kind of different commands, right? Whereas in DML, we use select, insert, update, delete, and merge statement. So where it is used? So DDL is used for creating or modification, deletion, and deletion of database objects. I already defined that what are the objects, table, indexes, and views. And the usage of DML is that you can write any query, you can insert and update and delete the record in the database table. Now, the what is the basic focus of DDL? Why it is used? The basic focus of DDL is on the logical and physical design aspect of the database. It specify any type of constraints and relationship between the tables.